Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making Navajo Fry Bread. I have 3 cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You can go ahead and put in dry milk if you prefer. It is optional. So we're going to go ahead and mix the dry ingredients. And Indian fry bread, the Navajo fry bread, is not that difficult. It's just the 3 ingredients. If you want to go ahead and use dry milk, you can go ahead and use that as well. And then all you have to do is just add in the water. And then you just start mixing. And I'm using a cup of warm water. Just put a little bit of more water in there. And then if you know you don't need more water, just go ahead and keep mixing it. I did put aside a small bowl of flour. So you can keep adding small portions so it won't be sticky. I actually was raised on Navajo Fry Bread. Started when I was about 9 years old, which you would say I'm an expert at this, making fry bread, but I make it every once in a while. Not every day, but maybe twice every month or so. And then once you start losing the stickiness on the dough, you can go ahead and we'll go ahead and have it rise for about 20-30 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and start making the bread. See you back in a few. Now we're back. Dough rose. So now we're going to go ahead and divide the dough up. Just going to go ahead and put them into round doughs. And I'm using wax paper, and I put a little bit of flour on it. Once you get used to it, it'll be no problem. And I already started to turn on the grease. I have it on simmer, having the grease heat up slowly. Here's the dough, and then we're going to go ahead and get started on the fry bread. Okay, hello everyone, we're back. We're going to go ahead and get started on making the bread. So you just want to go ahead and just go in a circular motion, stretch out the dough. Try it a few times. Sometimes I'll go ahead and just put more flour on there. Then here comes the fun part. Sometimes you'll get a little tears here and there. It's no big deal. You can leave it or you can patch it. It's still going to go ahead and create air bubbles once you put it in the grease. So let's go ahead and put this one in the grease here. Okay, going on number 2. Once you get the hang of it, you'll pretty much start frying them, taking them out, and then you can go ahead and start making your next one while you're getting ready to turn your other bread. Okay, let's go ahead and check on the other bread. Usually shake off the excess grease. And then I'll go ahead and lay it down sideways so it can drain. Okay, here comes number 2. Okay, I'll go ahead and finish up the other bread and we'll be back. We're done with the fry bread. So we're going to go ahead and prepare Indian tacos. So go ahead and just put that on the plate. I'm going to go ahead and put the chili beans on top of the fry bread. Okay, just go ahead and top your bread. We'll go ahead and put cheese down at the bottom so it'll melt. And then we're going to go ahead and put the lettuce, tomatoes to top it off. You can go ahead and put sour cream on there, salsa. It's optional on how you want to eat the Navajo Fry Bread, and here it is. Thank you for watching my channel. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.